Have you recently accepted a national sales representative position at a logistics company? Maybe you're even in exploration stage and trying to decide if a career as an NSR is the right move. Either way, this is an excellent place to be. Hi, I'm Crystal, Vice President of Corporate Sales at Anderson Trucking Service. I know it can be scary to start a new job in sales, especially in the transportation and logistics industry, but don't worry. We have a plan to help you learn the job and understand what to expect. In your first week on the job, you will go to classes to learn about the company, the transportation industry, and how to be a good salesperson. In your first month of work, you will learn more about the company and your job. You will work with your manager and a mentor to help you, and you will focus on finding and contacting potential customers. As you continue working in your first 60 days, you may find that you are still learning and growing. Everyone learns at their own pace, and that's to be expected. During this time, you should aim to build a prospect list of up to 250 potential customers. And by the end of your 60th day, you may have even converted one or two of them into actual customers. To help you with this, you will learn different ways to market yourself in the company, and this may include using social media platforms like LinkedIn. It may include working with our in-house marketing team to create sales materials. Email will also become a really important tool for you, both for everyday communication and as you market yourself. We will teach you how to use email effectively and avoid mistakes. As you get closer to day 90, you'll start to become more independent. You'll be able to price legal loads on your own and start using a tool to help you price oversized freight. Additionally, you'll likely feel more comfortable selling unique and different service needs to customers. So this could include selling a dry van load to someone who requires warehousing services, LTL, overdimensional, and all sorts of different needs. As you progress further, you'll learn how to handle accounts independently, and when it's appropriate, to involve other departments for support. Around this time, your manager will also start talking with you about your plans and goals for after your first 90 days, such as your yearly performance objectives and career aspirations. I know what you're thinking now. How much can I make? And it's simple. You can see exactly how much logistics sales reps make by watching this video here. Thank you. Have a great day.